I've written at the top perfect squares. I would memorize those. Look at number 1. What times what gives you 9? This is a square root. There's understood to be a 2 there, but you do not have to write it. So the square root of 9 would be 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. All right, square root of 24 is not a perfect square. So what I do, I start with 4, and I say, will 4 go into 24? And I say, yes, 4 times 6 is 24. And what this means is square root 4 times square root 6. I'll usually skip that step. Square root of 4 is 2, and you can't do anything with square root of 6. Now let's look at number 5, where you've got variables in the exponent. There's understood to be a 2 there. You don't see anything, it's a 2. What you do, you divide the 2 into the exponent, and you bring out however many times it will go into it. For example, 2 will go into 3 one time, so bring out an x to the 1, but you've got a remainder of 1, and that remains underneath the radical. Let's do it with the y. 2 will go into 2 one time, but there's no remainder. So your answer is xy square root of x. I'm letting you do the evens, but I did write down an extra problem here. Now, 18 is 9 times 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So I'm going to bring out a 3. That's going to leave a 2 underneath. Remember, there's a 2 there. Now let's deal with the variables and exponents. 2 will go into 5 twice. Bring out 2 with a remainder of 1. 2 will go into 6 3 times. No remainder. So there's your answer.